tourists are finding themselves trapped in Yellowstone.
This bridge is gonna collapse. We are not getting home.
The bridge was wiped out by the rushing Yellowstone River.
Dude, that was our way home.
Other roads have been washed out, leaving tourists stranded in one of America's most scenic locations, the setting for the wildly popular TV show, Yellowstone.
There's no way out at this point in time. Our only option is to possibly be flown out at this point.
Parker Manning was vacationing with his family on the Yellowstone River in Montana. Fortunately, they're on high ground. He captured this extraordinary video of a riverfront house collapsing.
That is insane.
The flooding was so sudden, the family who lived in the house were only evacuated that morning.
Floated down the river like a large boat. I mean, it was just unbelievable that it didn't tip over. I mean, it was upright, just like it was sitting on the ground.
The historic floods are being blamed on heavy rains combined with melting snow from the mountains.